Hey there, YouTubers! Okie dokie, so hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another DIY. Today we are installing a no marks, no holes curtain system for my room. And you may be thinking, why does this need a whole DIY? Because I'm not doing it standard. A standard one would require you to drill holes. Well, I rent, and I don't really want to do that. Plus, because of where I'm installing it, drilling holes isn't really an option. So, I would have to drill a hole in this metal plate. Now, granted, I could potentially just go right through that hole, problem solved, end of discussion. But, plus, this is either plywood or drywall, which, again, and then it's concrete. So, not a conducive drilling medium. So we're gonna build something. And we're gonna hang it from strings from up here. And then down to there. However, that's not perfect. Then it's great, except now I'm gonna have these bars sitting here on the ledge, which I'm going to cover up with succulents. Lots of succulents, like $50 worth of succulents, but no big deal. $60. It'll be fine. And then I've got two types of growing medium, Schultz and Miracle-Gro. Personally, the Miracle-Gro is way better. I've done testing, and maybe that'd be a good video to do in the future. I did in high school, and I think I still have all the data saved somewhere. Most of it anyway, except for the last few weeks. But it really does tell the whole story. Unfortunately, I really don't have any place to put it all. So, but yeah. We're gonna get started. We're gonna start figuring out what needs to be done first, take some measurements, and go from there. See ya. So Outback here convinced me to not cut my 4-foot dowel. So instead, we drilled our holes. Wondering where the hole's for? It's for string. The string will go up to this, which is beyond the railing there. So now, gotta do some measurements and cut some string, I guess. Okay, we're gonna burn the end on this. Think that's enough? Wow, it turned crystal clear, see that? It's like hot glue. I'm surprised today. So these are being held by nothing. They're just there. There's another one over there. They're just being held by gravity, and this thing's being draped over. It's perfect. However, now I'm gonna cut this drape. Cut this curtain so that it can just seamlessly go over this, and it's sealed effectively. I can't get that. We need Outback scrapper to get that. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna grab some scissors and get cutting, and then there's 2 more steps. The next one is damage-free. The step after I cut this is the damage-free step. Wow, this is evil lighting. It's below me. And then after that is decoration. I gotta make it look a little nicer, and that's what the plants are for. So let's get started. Outback beat me to the next step while I was busy downstairs cutting. He pulled out the camper tape and already safetied it. So obviously we have these sharp edges, which are going to cut into this, and so that's going to cause problems, damage down the road. And well, so we covered it up with the camper seal tape. Then also, you see there's some, zoom in. See that gray part? That's some of that camper sealing tape. And so now, problems are solved. All I need now is just some washers and some magnets just some creature comfort so I can like just ting, it stops, it's good. Otherwise, it's done. The actual contraption is done. Pretty simple, pretty basic. This stuff bent really easily. I'll try and leave a link below to everything here. I'll try my best anyways. Anyways, let's do some planting. Okay, so we have our plants plotted out here. So this is in pot 1. Pretty, all kind of a waxier type. And then we have these flowers, which I'm assuming are succulents. We'll find out how long they last. They might die. Cactus, another different type of succulent. This is the type of aloe vera, so we'll see. I don't think it's the kind of aloe vera you want to use. It's got a big old bloom on that cactus, more flowers, and then aloe vera. So this aloe vera plant gets basically its own pot with these flowers. So yeah, we have Schultz and Miracle-Gro. I'm going to use the Miracle-Gro at first, and if we can return the Schultz, great. Boy, but does this look better. This it just feels better. I don't know. It doesn't look like much happened, just from what you guys can see, but for living here every day, being here every day, it looks a lot nicer, and it really takes your eyes away from the fact that there's bars hanging there. So now if we come down here, we got this. I went and cut it. I'll get a clamp. That's what I'll get. I'll get a clamp there. Then I'll just hold it up. I'm gonna magnetize, put a magnet right here. So it's just click, and it'll hold right there, because that's a metal plate. So, otherwise, it's a little jank right now, but we're gonna fix that. It looks like it's just kind of hanging there. And then also, I'm gonna get some pea gravel for the cactuses, the cacti, the succulents, just as like, just to add a little bit of flair to them. And then, I can always add more stuff later. Anyways, that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New DIYs whenever I don't feel like it. And good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.